Okay, today I want to show you how to install the Windows 7 after we reboot. Now we put the CD in case, for example, there are different type of a PC. So some PC they use the F11, F10, or F2. When you put the CD in, you need to press the boot from the CD-ROM. Okay, for now, I don't talk much about how to use the boot, but I talk about how to install the Windows 7 only. In and another way, I will make another video how to install the Windows 7 from the USB drive. So in case your laptop you don't have a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, because laptop nowadays they very slim, so they don't create a CD-ROM, so we can install from the USB flash drive. So I will make another video about how to install the Windows on the USB flash drive, but right now this video is about how to install Windows 7 from any CD-ROM or USB flash drive. If you have the file Windows 7, you can install it by after you see this video. Okay, the first thing after you put the CD-ROM in your laptop, they will show this, and you can choose next. Okay, and in here I want to add on the additional information. In case your PC cannot start up, you can choose the repair computer. Now I explain a bit more. When you choose the system recovery system, you click next, and it will search. So right now we don't have any file, so we click cancel first. Here, what I'm talking about, startup repair. So you can put the CD or USB flash drive about the Windows 7. You click startup repair, it will automatically repair if your window cannot start in some reason, but not all can fix, because they can fix a very small problem only. But another good way, system restore. So system restore, as a normally the window they create by itself, but some window they turn off by itself. So you need to go to check first and make sure you have it. If you have it, they will show you the calendar date that it will automatically create. So you choose the good date and restore the system, so your system will rework normally. Okay, I don't talk much about this. I close it. Now we install. Now it start up. So and I click accept the license, and I click custom. So in here, if you want the two drive, for example, you want the CD, drive C, and drive D. So here I create two drive. Like here is just 30 GB. Apply and click OK. Here is the reserve partition. This is the Windows 7. They will eat you 100 megabyte, and partition 2 is for drive C to store your window, and partition 3 it is your drive D data. So you can create now or create later, it's up to you. But if you want to create now, you click new and create. It will automatically create, but for now I don't create it. I just keep it like that, and I just click format and click OK, and it will format. In case your drive C is a bit small and you want to extend it, you can extend from the unlocated partition, but you need to format your drive D first. Format and delete to be unlocated space, so you can extend it by click extend. It will combine the gigabit together. Okay, for now I don't need it. Click next. Okay, you need to wait until 100%, and that's all. Okay, now after if the 100%, I will show you again. Okay, right now it's 96%, so it nearly finished. And yeah, when it's finished it will automatically start, and I will show you how to just fill some information that is necessary. If you don't have the file window, you can comment in here in below, or you can subscribe for more video like this, how to. And yes, that's it. Stay tuned for more video, guys. And so you need to wait, and for information, you should not just restart now. Your your computer may not show as my VMware, because I use the VMware to install this window. So it's okay. It's okay. It's not much a big deal. You don't need to care. It just wait it furnish. But if you use the USB installation, you need to take it off, and it will reboot to this place. If you not take it out, it will automatic loop installation again and again. So you need to take it out. Take it out and wait for the installation complete. And if you want to know how to use the VMware, I make a video about this, how to install the VMware, how to use also, and I have some explanation a bit, maybe you interested in. Okay, so right now we need to wait. Nothing we can do, just wait only. Yep, wait. So you need to update the registration. It's just automatic cell, they will do itself. And okay, set up start service. Okay, now waiting and waiting and waiting, it will reboot again after it complete the registration. So it nearly finished. Okay. You can fast forward my video if you're boring. Okay, now after restart, it will show this. You can type your name. For example, my channel is how to, so you can type how to PC, right? Any name you want. And for me, I don't like a password, so I skip it. And in case you want, you can type the password the same. This one, the same, and the hint. For example, football or place you like it, or your child's name or whatever you want. Click next, and in here I don't need to put the serial key because it's just a demo. But if you want the serial key, you can comment. I will send you the serial key, but you cannot update. You just can use only, cannot update. But for now I skip. But if you have it, you can comment it. But another way, you can download the file, another Windows, they skip the serial, they automatically activate for you. But my file don't have it, so I skip it. And ask me later, I don't like update because we don't have a serial that can activate online. Mostly we ask for friend, or check from internet, or crack from the another website. Okay, it depends on your time zone. So for my time is +7 Bangkok. So I click here, click next, I live in Cambodia, but Bangkok is the best I can get. I click home. Yeah, I use for home. Home is more secure. You just click home. So only the same Wi-Fi can talk together each other. But if you choose public, it's a bit broad. Skip it. You don't need to care about all of this stuff. Okay, for now it's prepared for Windows desktop, and when it's finished, so you got yourself a Windows 7. But if you want to install the VGA or driver, I have another way for you, but this is just a tip, additional information. So you can go to AIE or whatever, it can access the internet. Make sure your computer can access the internet. If your laptop cannot access the internet, you need to find a way to install at least the network card to talk. If you cannot go access the internet, you can go by this way. Okay, please remember. So you go to driver page solution and you tap it, it will go by this, and you just click on it and you download the file, and it will automatically install the necessary file for you, and you need to follow the instruction. That's all. Just click yes, 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 and you click install all the requirement driver, and it will automatically install what you need. But I want to mention again, you need to have a network card or Wi-Fi. You can access the internet. If your laptop after install the Windows, you cannot access the internet, so you need to find a way. At least you can install the network drive, so it will automatically check all online, your VGA, your keystroke, your key and the laptop, everything sound. It will automatically install if you go to this website. Okay, for now, thank you for your watching, and that's it. This is the end of how to install the Windows 7. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.